Welcome everyone, I'm Alison with Continental Bead Suppliers. Thank you so much for joining me. Hi everyone, I've been waiting for what seems like forever for this creative little care package to arrive. I can't wait to get this open and to see what we've got inside to work with. I'm going to be showing you some very creative ideas over the next few weeks for whatever is in this little box here. I know it's a little box full of treasures. It's amazing what you can get in small boxes, so let's have a look and see. I did open this tape here just to get started, so let's have a little look. I love unboxing videos. So, oh, it's quite heavy, so let's see. So we've got some tube closures, which are always fun to work with. Some little clasps here, which are great with leather and cording. Some little 3mm jump rings, some ear wires, some chain ends. These will be fun to work with. Ooh, a pretty diamond shaped chain. That's going to be fun. Oh, we've got gold and silver. Some lobster claws. Oh, this looks like fun. This looks like paperclip chain. Yeah, this is the new paperclip chain. So we've got gold and silver for that too. Some eye pins. Jump rings, looks like 8mm jump rings. Another little sort of satellite chain. That's so sweet. More jump rings. Some more ear wires. It's always great to have plenty of these findings on hand. You never know what projects you're going to be working with. This is a nice little curved chain. Some more tube clasps. I have got a great idea with these that we can work on. Some head pins. Oh my goodness, look at all this stuff. So this is some centerline pieces. So we've got gold and silver on those. Let's get some ideas going with that. Some crimps. Oh, another pretty little 2-in-2 chain this looks like. So dainty, so cool. That'll be fun. Some more centerline components. So I'm going to have some great ideas with this using some seed beads and perhaps chain. We'll see what we can come up with that. Some more centerline, so a pretty little feather. More lobster claws. Another pretty little ring chain. So that looks so dainty. That'll be fun to work with too. More eye pins. I'm going to have to come up with a project for eye pins. This looks like an earring component. Oh yeah, so it's like a little chain earring component. So they will be fun. We can do all sorts of embellishing with those. Paper. I'm going to do something with eye pins. We've got a lot of eye pins here. Some jump rings again. Head pins, lobsters. Some more earring components, which will be fun. Oh my goodness me. So as you can see, there's lots and lots of different things here, which I'm going to have a great time creating with. So if you enjoyed this video and would like to see the creative ideas I come up with using the contents of this fabulous little box, please give us a like and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. And as always, we love to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.